Ever watch your meetings run over time, killing productivity and momentum? Meet our Link's Timer Widget, your secret weapon for keeping meetings sharp, focused, and actually ending on time. Get ready to become the Time Lord of your virtual meetings. Let's talk about a few ways this timer widget could be deployed. Picture this, your daily stand up. 2 minutes per person, everyone sees the countdown. No more marathon updates or quiet team members getting cut off. Just crisp, clear communication. When that timer hits zero, it's the next person's turn. Democracy in action, folks. Running a strategy session? Break it down into power segments. 20 minutes for brainstorming. Timer starts now. 10 minutes for group discussion. 5 minutes to decide. Watch how a visible countdown keeps everyone laser focused and energy high. No more awkward, we should probably wrap up moments. Set your 5 minute warning and watch how naturally conversations conclude. Need a bio break? Timer's got you covered, moving between agenda items. Timer signals the shift. These aren't just countdowns, they're your secret sauce for meeting mastery. Ready to take control of your meeting time? Let's set up your first timer. Start by finding that widget icon in your meeting controls toolbar and give it a click. It's like opening a treasure chest of meeting superpowers. Time to get organized. Click Add Folder and give it a snazzy name. Keep it under 25 characters. We're going for punchy, not a novel title. Now let's add some flair to your meetings. Click on your new folder, hit Add Widget, and select Timer. It's like choosing your secret weapon for meeting efficiency. Let's customize your timer. Give it a catchy name. Choose between countdown or count up. It's like deciding between a rocket launch or running a marathon. Set your starting time. Remember, time is an illusion, but deadlines aren't. Now for the fun part, status alerts. Good is your green light. Everything's peachy. Warning is your yellow alert. Time to wrap up those long-winded stories. Wrap up is your red flag. Last call for brilliant ideas. Hide time at zero, for when you want the timer to pull a disappearing act. Choose your audience, hosts only or hosts and guests. One is for your eyes only and the other for sharing. And there you have it, folks. You're now a certified R-Link Timer Widget Wizard. Go forth and conquer those meetings with the power of precise timekeeping. Remember, with great timer power comes great responsibility. Use it wisely and watch your meeting efficiency soar. Thanks for tuning in. If you need any help, our support team is always ready to assist. Now go make some timely magic.